What's going on, you guys? Forrest here, Ape and Hodl. Let's get right into the development activity of ETH versus Cardano versus Polkadot versus Solana. These are all big layer ones. They are relatively competing with each other, and development activity I think is really important, especially looking at these projects during the bear market. And I think it could be an indicator of what's going to happen when the next bull market happens. If you believe there's going to be another bull market going to happen, you probably wouldn't be here if you didn't. This is not financial advice. Do not take my advice and make investments based on it. Do not do that. I'm not paid by any of these companies to endorse any of these things. Do your own research. So let's look right into this. This chart here, this is a cool website. It's sentiment.net. Let me know if you guys wanted me to do like a tutorial on how to use this website. I recently found it. There's a free and paid version. This is the free version right now, but it seems really cool. They have a lot of different metrics, look at price action, such and such, but I wanted to look at development activity. So we have in green here the development activity of ETH, development activity in blue here for ADA, development activity on the Polkadot network DOT, and development activity on Sol in purple here. This is over a 1 year period. So October 4th, 2021 to October 4th, 2022. I like to look at these things in the long term, the short term price action. There's a lot of different reasons why these things go up and down, but I want to see what's actually being built, who's getting the most activity. And this is just something that I think is some good research to know about when you're looking at betting on these projects or investing in these ecosystems. So let's go over Ethereum here. There was recently the ETH merge just happened, ETH 2.0, a lot of different hype, a lot of different stuff happening with that. But let's look at the development. These bars here on the side are not they're not correlated the same amount. So like even though Cardano here is at 3,087 and it looks below, it's actually higher. But the way you can kind of look is if I put my mouse here, we can look over here in the top left corner. On September 28th, this was the development activity over a 7-day period. I wanted to look at, I like looking at things over bigger amounts of time instead of at any 1 minute. You can get down, if you go up here, you can get down to, every 5 minutes. But I'm on 7 days right now. It's on 7 days for everybody. So if we look here, most recently, the information it has for September 28th, Cardano actually has the most activity, development activity, 3,087 developers over the 7 days, where ETH has 2,568, DOT has 2,964, and Sol has 1,134. And that's very interesting. Sol has a lot of transactions. It does have issues with inflation. I made another video about Sol's inflation. You can check it out in the description. But look at this development activity for Sol. It peaked up here at, what is that? Oh, 3,549 weekly developers. And it's just been on a fast, crazy descent for development activity on the Solana blockchain. I don't like to see that. I am a holder of Sol. I'm a holder of all of these. I'm a holder of ETH, ADA, DOT, Sol. I like to be diversified. I don't know who's going to win. And this isn't necessarily an indicator on how Sol is going to perform in the next bull run, but I'm sure that Solana's been having issues with the blockchain outages, and I'm guessing that is deterring developers to be building on the network. And but this is really interesting to see that we can actually compare market caps as well. Let's go to, and now if you look at the price action of these things, it is not related to the development activity at this point whatsoever, where all the prices have been coming down. And if we go back to, if you go back to the development activity over the last year, it's all growing. Everything's growing except for Solana. Solana's been declining. But yeah, Cardano here at the top, Polkadot above Ethereum. Ethereum would be in third place. Solana is way down here in fourth place. And yeah, and if we go back to our price action, not a direct correlation between the price and the development activity, but that could show a place for undervalued, misvaluations of the market. You know, take it for what you want. So that's just 4 of the kind of top layer 1 ETH competitors, or Ethereum as well. These were just the 4 I wanted to get into today. Let me know if you want me to do a video on any other coins. I did look at Cardano. I know a lot of you guys, a lot of my followers are Cardano fans, Cardano holders. I'm also a Cardano holder. But it was just the development activity on Cardano is quite a bit less than these, so it's not really comparable, I don't think, at this point. But yeah, this, let me know if you want me to, I think maybe doing a tutorial on this could be cool. Let me know if you think that would be cool. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, help out the channel. Keep going. Ape and hodl, baby. Woo! Or the new slogan would be ape and hodl, and then take profits during a bull market, and don't hodl all the way through the bull into the next bear. Yeah, so even though the title of my channel is ape and hodl, that doesn't necessarily mean I'm just going to hodl forever ever. No, I just thought it was a cool name. Anyways, all right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Woo!